And hello everyone, welcome to this weekly Forex forecast live with me, Eivindfx. I'm here to help you becoming a better Forex trader. Let's go through some charts, some fun. Let's have some jokes. That's at least my style. I hope that you see that I try every day to give you top-notch knowledge. Not always as enthusiastic as I am right now, but I'm trying, So your role here today is to be 1. Engaging. 2. Tell me your peers you want me to cover. 3. Help out other other viewers that is in the comments if they are wondering about something I don't really know. So I'm not really if I've already done a pair, please tell them to go back in the video. That would be much more better. And also, I am going to be more structured today. I'm going to go through them once or twice. That's all. So I hope that will be better experience for everyone. My, My trading strategy is day trading. Day trading, I do trade. I do day trade. Weekly trade, monthly trades. We're now end of April. Kind of come into last week. What's important for next week? What do we need to do? Do we need to listen to news? Is news really important? We shall know. Trading Forex is risky, not appropriate for everyone. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Whatever investors today can be lost tomorrow, so don't risk your family inheritance or your school fees, your grandma's inheritance, or your vacation money. Let's see what kind of music did you guys hear today. I hear a lot, so if I need to turn it down for you guys, that would be great. But you never know. So, how's your weekend? Ryan is all good. Abraham is good as well. I hope so, at least. I believe so. So that's great. Did you guys watch the weekly forecast yesterday? I think I'm gonna put that up today. As what have you not seen today? Because the views are not there. So I'm like wondering, bro, like what happened, bro? Where did you guys go? So let me find that one, and then I will put that up, and then weekly forecasts, and then that. Greetings, sorry for late and join. You are very much there. Harold, I know you did, but I only got half of the views that I normally get. Like normally you can get like 100 different, 10%. I can understand 10%, but 50% difference. I don't really want to talk about views. They are not supposed to be important according to Gary Vee. And I really did my heart out yesterday, and I really feel that everything didn't come out as I wanted in terms of the COT report. No, the seasonality for dollar came a bit too fast. That's just technicalities. But I felt like I spent 7 hours. I spent 7 hours on that video yesterday. So yeah, cool. Let's go. I spent 7 hours on that forecast, so I really did grind. So, other than that, doesn't really matter. Anyways, who cares? It's just a video. Harold says, quality over quantity. I mean, Jesus, I had 12 disciples and look what he achieved. That's funny. So, as you guys are coming in here today, let's go over some charts. What did we say a month ago? Almost a month ago. We said April is gonna fall. I proved that yesterday in a video yesterday that we were going to fall in April. And I think that I said that around 5th, around this area. So I can at least minimum claim for 5th of April that we are pretty good in profit. So maximum profit has been 250 pips. Okay. Then What do we do now? How do we then take it from here? I have seen some YouTubers, I'm not going to mention names, but if you've seen his forecast, he did that. Like, bro, what's the difference? Why are you putting things on the chart that doesn't belong there? Okay? Like, it's already broken it, and it was broken on his chart. And I'm like, dude, come on. We know better than that, right? We are better than just random horizontal or vertical whatever lines on the chart. This is support. It has broken, turning into resistance, okay? Support and resistance channel 105, 101. Okay? Then this is the point where is it bearish? Is it to the downside or is it the upside? This is like the line in the sand, okay? Around here. At least in this time frame. And then where are we gonna go? Well, we already said 90.50, and we can probably go down to 90 as well. That would be great for me. So back to these lows here. Okay? Great. Hello, Muhammad. Great week, bro. Yeah, it was a great week. So Gambler, hey, welcome. It says to check my video solution. Like, who changed the video solution? Like, I'm still sending HG. Like, who changed it? What is it? What is it? 9. What is HD? 1080p? 1920 by 1080p. I think it is. Apply. Does that change? Done. Did that work? Did it work? Where does it make some money? That's great. Okay, so I'm sorry if I'm off today. I am absolutely mentally absolutely somewhere else. So if you can just tell that I'm okay, please tell me. Eivind, you look amazing today, or you're appearing amazing today. I'm gonna be frank with you guys, okay? From the bottom of my heart, I'm trying my best to fake my appearance today. I just want to be in bed, okay? I just want to cry. So there was those days as well as a Twitter, and no, I'm not gonna cry. But there is things that I don't tell you that is strictly off limits of this live. I can't really do anything about it, and it's personal crisis sometimes, and it's nothing to do with this stream and nothing to do with this community. But sometimes it's hard. Okay, I'm sorry that if today I am totally off, not happy, not smiling, not making enough jokes. Yeah, sometimes it's just those days. Okay. Where was I really? I changed that one. Okay. And then did it work to change the solution? Resolution. At least I've changed it. So okay, cool. Whatever. Okay, ready to make some pips. Pips is what we're gonna do. So, cheer up, Matt. This is the happiest I can get today. Before I cry. I'm laughing, okay? Nervous laughing. And I remember the guy going through Septicai's YouTube video, and he was saying that like you could see if he was truthfully happy or nervous or just scared shitless. But yeah, I have a joke for you guys. I have a joke for you. Okay? Why is there plastic on the cucumber? That's my type of joke today. So, still looking for the XY to fall further. Still looking for down here. I don't know if it's going to be 90, 90.50 or 89.50. I don't know if it's going to go lower than that. But now it's like step down, great. Step down, great. Step down, great. Step down, great. High, okay, stop. Okay. Now it's stepping stone. So I think I will try something new this week. I think I think I'm going to be Zoom live with my mentorship students every week this week, every London Open-ish, for give it or take an hour. So I think that is great. So what's the pair? Next pair. So set the base dollar index will just go down. So let's look for that first. Meanwhile, you guys are thinking twice. Bitcoin is falling. We are below 50,000. I don't know if you remember that, but I said below 50,000. Maybe it is 50,000. Yeah, below 50,000, it's bearish. So it's bearish. I don't know if it's going to go rise again or fall again or whatever, or if it's going to be like up to 55,000 and lower, or if it's just going to fall, or if it's going to go higher from here. I don't know. Right now, what this means, this is neutral. I think it's written neutral. I'm neutral. Whatever that, how that's spelled. Neutral. This is a neutral zone. There is nothing else to do here. Okay, we can do gold. But why is there plastic on the cucumber? Can somebody tell me? Why is there plastic on the cucumber? The plan is to go up to 54, 55, and then another down. I agree. I agree, personally. So, now we're done the cryptocurrency. So everyone who was interested in cryptocurrency, we're done with that. Then we have Vergecoin, which is interesting. I mean that one, actually. Okay, cool. Gold? We can do gold. So if I do gold, are you guys going to run away from it then? Are you going to be like, no, I'm out of here? First of all, the COT report for gold. Let's do that first. I don't think I shared that yesterday with you guys. I just forgot. I mentioned it so I can put it on. Well, maybe I think I did, but you know, who cares? COT report, asset managers are adding more buys and other reputable powers are adding buys. They're also adding more shorts. Question that becomes what they're going to do next. Let's see there. Yeah. It's not like amazing new step higher, but this was great. But do you know what this means? This means we are, generally speaking, range. Okay? So if we look historically here, 2009 we were pretty low. We were negative 109. Back in 2019 we were 200,000 in buys. And now just gradually going down. And then in March, July, April, May, June, July. So this is like June, July move. This is like the January move. So we really haven't seen the same move now in April. Probably won't get it, but you know, it is what it is, I guess. So, yeah. So I think we're just in the middle. The market is a bit undecided, I think it is. Is that how we can say it? The market is a bit undecided. Okay. I have good connection today. Not great, but I have good connection today. Okay. So, well, if that over said, then it is just mediocre. And what do we currently have? Mediocrity. So, on a very small time frame, what is gold going to do next? I want to say to you guys, I don't know what other traders tell us about gold. You say buy. I don't know. I just sometimes say bye instead. So, as I want us to be above 70, 83, and this makes me nervous. I really do not. Sorry if this is bad content, but you know, wife is texting me, so to say. Just do this. Aircraft, I don't know. So somebody messed up. I, generally speaking, just, you know, I shoot my YouTube videos in HD. And today either Streamlabs, YouTube, or my computer said piss off and changed the settings without me knowing it. I have not been in there, I've not done anything, and somebody changed his resolutions. So I do apologize. Archive. For it, but it's on. I do apologize for it, but it's not my fault. It's always somebody else's fault. No, I will check it next time, and I don't know why it does that sometimes. It's done that a couple of times now, and I have honestly to God no reason for it. So I wanted to go above 1800 again. I don't want us to go below 1760, so let's take that as a measurement. So right now we're going into a range. Risk meter, high, medium, low. The risk to the upside, or the risk for failing upside, is medium at the moment. We're currently medium. I don't like that. That might have been a take profit without me knowing it. But if it goes below here, just get out. That's a new lower low anyways. So as long as it doesn't happen fast, we are okay. Is this a sell point, by the way? Interesting. But it could actually be the first sell point in a downtrend. Okay? So either, I didn't think of that, but that could actually be a sell point. So maybe. Reza came in, say hi, Ivan. I said hi. Okay, you're welcome. Did you do EU or GU? I have not talked about that yet. I will do so. Abbas! Well, Abbas, you are late. Are you coming here to demand that I need to be waiting for you? Oh, lordy. The audacity. Thank God. Yeah, you're welcome. Do you have a Ramadan now? No. This is Ramadan? No, it's not Ramadan. It's Ramadan. Because it comes later. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much my thoughts on gold. My thoughts on gold is higher. Needs to hold 1760. I want to go above 1800 before adding more buys. So now it's just stagnant, hold the fort. This could be the turn lower. I don't like it. I don't want to think that way, but that's kind of a thing. Yours eating now. Yeah, okay, cool. Sir, can you do pound Aussie? Is it sell or buy? Okay. First of all, I will do pound Aussie in a split second, so be fast with me, because sometimes those people who talk about pound Aussie, I feel like I'm not bothered, but you know, you guys don't have patience, okay? So I'm gonna do it fast. I'm gonna do weekly for you. And weekly did take profit, sell, didn't work, sell, didn't work. It's a range, so neither. Nothing. No. It's not bullish, it's not bearish, it's range bound. Okay? Now, if it falls below here, great, you can take it down to the previous low at around 77.50. Other than that, I don't know. If it goes higher, okay, take it back to 79.50 and then higher up to 181. But it's a range. The risk is high, so I would not trade this. Congratulations if you want to. But yeah, Chief. So Imam, neither. Chief, how are you doing? How's your netcast going? He's Indian, by the way. So, well, let's go through Euro USD. For this week's forecast, we have the Euro against the dollar. We have, I think it was Nordea, said this is the top. So, a bit of fundamental analysis for you there, that's top. A bit of bank reports, that's the top, according to them. Well, they're not too far off the truth though, because, you know, that is the monthly target. So, how do I trade this? You buy down here and you take profit here. If you take profit as a buyer, what do you think on earth is going to happen to the market? We're going to fall again. Okay. All right. You're great. Netcast, you're out of it. Okay. Don't blame me, but yeah. So yeah, I did save you that actually. I saved you from those losses actually, to be honest. And I then also did not make you make more money, but okay, cool. Even there. On Euro, as long as we're above 120, I'm cool. They said sell from 120. Is this a sell? Is Euro USD a sell? I'm gonna want a lot of answers to this. Is Euro USD a sell? At everyone. I can't even spell right, everyone. At everyone, is this Euro USD a sell? Okay, let's see who can respond to that one, and I will bubble some more. Bubbling. Do you guys have music today? Or is it just me? I wanted to check that, but I forgot to do that. So, in this commercial break, great. There you are, and then, okay. There we have a lot of fun in the chat, in the Discord today. So if you want to join the Discord, have a lot of fun. Probably look at some trades as well. Okay, cool. So we have some answers. Congratulations. We have not a little bit delay. EF says buy. Harold says no. Abba says it could be better, but it needs a lower low and retest on 4 hour. Only if Dixie goes higher. You know what? You are absolutely amazing. Yes, this is not a sell. Okay? No. But if we go and check out the retail traders, generally speaking, there's not in this group, 76% of them thinks, hey, this is a sell. What is going on? So we need to reach them. So there is this weekly forecast I posted yesterday. Only 300 people saw it. Absolutely half of what I normally should get. But you know, I guess I tried. I know. I tried. I'm not going to complain about that today. But you know, bros, right? I do want to come out to new people. I do try to put my heart into it, and I do try to give you 350 pips. Okay, 350 pips here. Free. Okay, cool. Anyways, as long as it's above 120 is okay, and probably a buy at 2050. And as long as we're going higher, we're going higher. As long as we're going higher, you're buying it. Okay, good. But this is the Fed thing this week. Okay, then you mentioned something very important this week. There is in the Fed. We're going to have a Fed live on Wednesday. Yeah, I think I'm going to be live on Wednesday. That was a success last time. Seems to me like there's a lot of interest in the Fed and what the Fed says. Going to make a video about that. Great. So, how does that... What is the seasonality? What does normally dollar do? Does nobody knows? What's the Fed seasonality? What's the Fed meeting seasonality. Does anybody know that? This is about knowledge, right? Yeah. So, Imam, you are asking about you're asking about gold. I've already done gold. I literally just did gold. So you just have to go back there, sir. I do apologize for being rude, but you know, you just have to sometimes do your own job. I can't do the job for you. The seasonality for the Fed meeting is, this is the meeting, and this is like 1 week ahead, like minus, and then 1 week after. I can't even plus 1 week after. It tends to do that. It tends to fall into the meeting, and then after the meeting, it tends to rise. So, what are we doing this week then? It is currently falling towards the meeting. Do you think there's going to be a double bottom, higher high, higher low situation here? Well, then be aware of that. But I don't expect anything new from the Fed, so the Fed meeting is not going to be a fun, amazing trip. So, that's that. Anything else on the euro? Target is 121.26. That's most of the targets going to go out. And then we have continuous buying as long as we're still going higher. But not crazy, just a few. Yeah. Maybe I'm a bit random today. I'm a bit random today, so I don't care. But anyways, Hina modus, and then I would go to, where is it? Where did I do gold? Did anybody see this one yesterday? Let me take off my music. Let me take on my music. Take that up. And then that. Start off with some trading. What have we done here? It is a bit absolutely mad on Friday. Wow. That is mad. Market manipulation. Somebody said, people, that was cringy. Okay, of course it says, you know, it's in fun jokes and all those things, right? But somebody said it was cringy, and I'm like, okay, dude, I tried. Don't shoot me. I tried. So if you want my merch, like in the description below. Link in the description below. Yeah, you thought that too, eh? You thought that was cringy. You're not supporting me, Abbas. You're just here to make laugh of me. Hello, Taito. You're just here to make fun of me, eh? That's why you're here. All right. Great. Next one, pound. So we have had great momentum on euro this week. We have had okay momentum on Aussie. When we're coming into pound, is this great? Well, we did hit target early, you know, remember? So this is actually expected. Even though we did lose money in this conversation, you know, it's still acceptable. Now, if it's going to fall further now, I'm not interested. But yeah. So I want 138 to be the floor, you know? 130 is going to be the floor. You support ethically. Yeah, don't bully me, bro. I'm not here for the bullies. So, let me give you some rules. Write down these rules. As long as we are on 1 hour, making lower lows and lower highs, we are currently in sell mode. Okay? As long as we are falling, making lower lows, lower highs, we're currently in sell mode. 138 is now the support, current support. If we break below, I'm no longer interested. And basically, we need to like go high, above 139 to be buying again. Okay? That is vulnerable, yes, but that's the only case you can look for. Right now, we are mixed. I can't even spell mixed. Okay. M-I-X-E-D. We are mixed. Range is the word. So until then, we will treat it different. We will treat it thereafter. So today we have 29 people today. Very much welcome. My name is Eivindfx. I'm a Forex trader for 7 years. I'm here to help you trading Forex, and I also am into stocks anytime soon. Let's talk more about that later on. But gold, dollar, yen, oil. What you need to do? You only need to come here. Tell me which pair you want to analyze. Give me how you view it, and we'll come to agreement. I do trend trading, trend, reversals, and that's basically it. I don't do candlesticks because I've lost too much money on it. And if you do candlesticks, great, fantastic. I'm not going to bother you. You're not going to bother me. We are all good. But if you believe that these market conditions and these targets that I'm going to show you right now doesn't matter, let me show you something. Okay? Let me show you something. This is where you buy in November. This is where you take profit. This is where you buy in November. This is December. This is where you take profit. This is where you buy in December, November, December, January. This is where you take profit. This is where you buy in February, and this is where you take profit. The green zone. Okay, we're coming over in March. This is where you buy. Didn't work out. Sorry. We're coming into April. This is where you buy. Well, we're getting somewhere. Probably not a target, but we tried. So, out of the past 4 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, past 5 months, only one failed. Okay? Only one failed to reach the target so far. It's this one. The setup worked, but it never reached target. Did we get out at break even? Yes, we did. We did our job. We tried to buy it, didn't work out. This is where you buy, this is where you buy, this is where you buy. And you're wondering, what am I going to do for May? I'm already going to tell you, you need to plan for that. You need to look at what does May normally do. Do you think 138 is a good buy price? Well, that's up to you. Do you think that 137.70 or 50 is a good buy price? That's totally up to you. If you are a buyer. And if you're a seller, maybe you're liking 139.50. Okay? Those are the two sell price, buy price for the next month. And 141 is target and 136 as a target. It doesn't really matter what you do, but as long as you do one thing only, you're buying when it's a bullish trend and you're selling when it's a bearish trend. That's all. And once you hit your target, you're done trading. I will look at your charts. You're thinking BTC going down, 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 down. I have said I'm neutral on Bitcoin in the beginning of this webinar, and that is below 50. I don't care about it anymore. I'm not caring about it anymore. I don't know what's going to happen next. It's no longer bullish in my eyes, at least short term, so it can do both. Yeah, I know. I just reacted to it. Okay. What's next, brothers and sisters? What else do you want to see from me? You want to see me dance? And I just went to this guy. What is the guy called? Meet Kevin. Has anyone seen Meet Kevin? High five. Hey. Fuck. You as a Forex trader, there's a lot more to the chart than you believe, right? I remember saying, I think I said 152, so it was a bit high, according in comparison to what actually happened. Did I do say 152? I don't know. I can't claim that fame, but I can claim this price, 152, and then it fell. So what is it going to do now then? Well, that's resistance. That's resistance. That could be a turning point, but I think we're more going to go lower than anything else. The green area you mentioned is market area by you, or is it an indicator? It is it's an indicator and free indicator, and it is support and resistance. So if we then use this beloved thing called indicator, this is the target. That level was a target. And you're wondering, that can't be true, can it? Well, I don't know. This was a target, this was a target, that was a target. This was the buy zone, this was the buy zone, this was the buy zone, this was the buy zone. Sometimes it does work, sometimes it doesn't. This is the buy zone, this is the target. So I believe that this thing with these green things, where these boxes are target, looks to be working fairly well. Sometimes it goes above. I'm sorry, it didn't work out, but it did this month. So right now you're like wondering, but dude, how do you predict this future then? Technical analysis. First of all, fundamental buys, and that's so boring, I'm not going to even mention it. Fundamental buys is giving me the direction of the market for months ahead. So I have a big question to everyone today. Do you want it, Fahad? Do you want the indicator? And yeah, it was supposed to be UG. Okay, so other than that, cool. I will update you more tomorrow. It's a bit weird at the moment, so yeah. Other than that, great. So, somebody asked me, is USD yen bearish? And what's the target? I think it was it Joanna or who was it? I'm not going to give you a name. Pearl, maybe. It was Pearl. I'm not here to bash on you, Pearl, but who asked about USD yen? It was Joanna. Okay. So, nothing bad about that. I just want to talk about to the right person. So, Joanna, Sal, TP. I don't know if we're going to go down there, but hey, it looks plausible. The other thing is you don't have a higher high yet. Okay? Currently you don't have a higher high. Of course you want my indicator. Okay, so if you want my indicator, what should I get? What can I get from you instead then if I give you my indicator for free? What's the yeah, it can be one or two for that matter. But what's the exchange? Are you going to be loyal to me? Are you going to follow me? Are you going to talk to all your friends about me? Are you going to Are you gonna like the indicator that I'm gonna show you? Like, show some love to the guy that made it. I didn't make it, but I know the guy who did it. I talked to him mostly every day. Almost every day. So like that one first. And then you have to go down to add it to your favorites. Once you go to edit favorites, you go to indicators and it will be in your favorites. Okay. And I've done some tweaking to the colors to it, that's all. You can also become a YouTube member if you want to know. It's only $5 a month and you get so much better service from me. I will be happy smiling at you every single day. But anyways, USD, yes, 108 is the sell price for this week. First sell price, second sell price is 108.30 something and then dime. So either that one and then that one and that one and that one. I think it's okay for me to mention that I do have a merch line, you know, not that you need to buy anything, just, you know, it's nice to see that whatever I wear, you can wear, and we are family now. So if I give you, since I gave you the indicator, since you got it for free, you are now my family and you need to promote my content. How? Listen. Show up. We call it not read through. What do you call it? Listen through. Look until the end. How? See my videos. You see until the end. That's how easy it was. I gave it for free, and I'm asking you to do something free back. It doesn't cost you anything extra. I'm just telling you, whatever video you're watching of my content, watch it till the end. That is, and then you can get a comment every single time. That would be great. That's also free. And by the way, maybe I'm underplaying this indicator, but it changed my life and my trading. Okay, I don't know if it changed yours, but it changed mine. So Hardik is now telling me that I'm off track. I do apologize. Let's go back on track. Yeah. What was I supposed to do here? Okay, here we are. I've possibly US 30. We'll do US 30. Yes, we can do US 30. So, first of all, I will just do this week. And then I will do impact. And then, not maybe this one. And then impact high. So, what are we going to look for? This is not how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to cater it for medium and high. So, first of all that I see here, the Fed interesting meeting on Wednesday, 28th. We're expecting nothing new, but it will still be an event. And I will be live, and I'm probably going to make a video about it later on. So, I don't know when I will be going to sleep that day, but if I can make it out, like make a nice video about it, and I post it, and you guys like it, watch it, and share it to YouTube, that YouTube likes it, great. That would be fantastic. CPI, oh no, GDP, sorry, out of Europe, and also CPI. Oh, that's a good day. Oh, that's a good day on Euro on Friday. And BOJ meeting interest rates and durable goods. Okay. And CPI out of Australia. That is the most important. This is the most important. GDP, CPI, PMIs, of course, Fed meeting, and the Japanese. So, do I expect Euro to fall, rise, crash? Nothing. Nothing spectacular. Okay. We have house pricing index coming in. We have confidence. That's great. We also have confidence on euro. We also have consumer price out of Australia. We also have retail sales, OPEC meeting. OPEC meeting. Ooh, that's interesting for the oil trading. Okay, so deal done. Hello, sir. How are you? Gold next move, sir. I have a buy at 1788. Deal done. Boom. Please give trade of the next week. Boohoo. Time to rain champagne. Okay, so what is the trade of the week? And you said gold. This is the last time I'm going to do gold. Okay. I don't want price below 70.60. If that fits your view of risk management, I don't know. I have no clue. Currently, I want this to go higher from current price. I don't like where it ended on Friday. It could be a potential new sell-off. Don't risk a lot of money here. It is not a great trade. And gold, I want this to go to 2,000. I don't like what happened on Friday. Maybe that was just to spook people out. I don't really know. This is not a good trade at the moment. But if you still have it, wait for your stop loss to be hit or for it to go higher. I don't know. It can go higher, should go higher. I wanted it to go higher. But if it proves me wrong, I'm not going to be itty bitty bitchy about it. I'm just going to be leaving. And I'm going to say, adios, Jose. I will see you in a different life. Australian dollar. I do believe Australian dollar might be the best to trade next week. Either New Zealand or Aussie. One of them, I believe, is going to be a good trade. I also believe that we're going to have some, is it 100 pips up? How many pips up? Yeah, 130 pips. Yeah, great. That's 130 pips and then 118. So how do you trade that one? I'm going to dial down to 1 15-minute time frame. As long as we go down to 15-minute time frames, that's also great. We have come down to support, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. How do you trade that? This is a buy, this is a buy, this is a buy. Wait. This is a buy, this is a buy, this is a buy. Though I don't give any financial advice, it's only my personal opinion. And it can fall, crash, and all those things. Don't risk money you can afford to lose. And all those shenanigans as well. I'm just trading what I would like to see. If I don't get it, if it makes a new low, well, don't bother it. Okay, so if we go on to day trading mode on this one, day trading mode, you would want price to react off either 77.34 or 77.19 and then higher. Okay, good. Boom. Let it rain. Somebody's messaging me. Who is that? Is Angfro. Okay, cool. Da-da-da. What else? How else can we make this fun and interesting? Other than looking for highs. And then New Zealand, kind of the same thing. We're looking for, if price comes down to 71.84 as a day trader, that would be great. 71.80, like here. So we'll just put an order here. Whoa. Didn't mean to do that. Just put an order here. Then continuation higher. Pretty fantastic, eh? We haven't done oil. We have not done oil. But yeah. We have OPEC meeting this week. That means that's going to impact what we're going to think of this pair. I do not want price to go any smaller bit slower. Not even a tick lower. Okay? But if we go higher and up to 62.70, I think that's a good sell price. I want this to go higher. Don't get me wrong. I do believe me that I'm a good Samaritan out here to make you a better trader. But how do we get a better trader? We try and we fail. We try and we fail. We try and we fail. We never give up. That is how my trade plan would look like before it actually happens. Okay? This is how You make a plan. What is your bias? It is up. How? Improved world economics. Okay, bias. Well, bias. Then trend. What is the trend? It is currently up. Currently up. And then, is there any reversal? No. Is it any key level? Key level. Is there any key level here? There is 60. There is 65. And there is probably 70 up here. Okay, so we're just in between two key levels. Okay, I don't want the price to go lower than here. And since that is my bottom, I only want the price to go higher. Okay, great. Congratulations. Have a good day. Good night. US 30 is asked for, and then we are 53 minutes going in. Okay. US 30 coming in at monthly. First of all, we are pretty high, but not a target. Coming into weekly, we are coming into some buy pressure in this area. I do not want price to go below here, so this is my support level. I'm saying here, I'm going to be buyer above here. I also see that this would be a great area to buy from, around 13,330 and then higher. Okay, great. Agree? Disagree? Anyone? But yeah, so I'm going to be live. I'm going to be open for the Zoom meeting for the mentorship students tomorrow. So I'm going to be way more technical detail as to what is a good trade. But something like that would be probably what we'll look for tomorrow. Okay. Just going to go through the yen, Australian yens, and then we'll see what we can do next. Okay, what is the current market? Support, resistance, range. I don't care. Okay, this is how fast you should do your analysis. Bottom, bottom, high, high, same bottom. This is nonsense. Then we don't care anymore. CAD yen. It's supposed to be bullish now from this point. So any price above 86.60 is great to go higher. So I will just wait for that to happen. If it doesn't happen, then I don't care. Okay, just wait. Euro yen, still a range. So range. I only trade trends. I don't trade ranges. This could be a sell-off, by the way. So let's go into this one. 150.20, 150.17. 147.50. Yeah. It's a new low. Can it go higher from here? Yes, it can. Do not worry. But yeah. Okay. I think I've done my best today. If you are here today for the first time, please talk to me. I am available in the Discord channel, or in the what do you call it? In this Telegram thing. If you are in my Telegram thing, I don't know if you're in my Telegram thing, but if you are in my Telegram thing, you know I have some people here. If that's what you really want to, you know, okay, cool. You can look at that. That's not what I wanted. I wanted to find the sharing button thing. Where's the sharing button thing? Invite members, invite link, share link, copy link. Okay, copy link. There you guys are. There you are. That is my Telegram. So if you need my help, you can go and talk to me there, if that's what you really want to. t.me/Eivindfx, I think it is. If that's what you guys wanted. It seems like Telegram is so much more interesting to be looking at than anything else. So if that's what you want to do, okay. I'm on Discord personally. That's where I will be posting most of my stuff to my students and stuff, and that's where I will have most of the jokes. But if Telegram is your thing, that is your thing. Until next time, I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good week this week. And other than that, thank you guys for joining in. I love you guys. And I need to figure out why the heck I got so little views on my YouTube video from yesterday. I honestly to God don't know. I really tried to give you a lot of good content and improving my content, but I can't. And it was good, like those who viewed it for a very long time. So yeah, it was just not promoted to other people. So okay, cool. Have a good day, and we'll see you another day.